Changing ringtones on your Galaxy Z. Flip 5 personalizes your device, helps distinguish notifications, and enhances user experience by allowing identification of callers or notifying apps without viewing the phone. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to access the app drawer. Locate and tap on the Contacts icon to launch the Contacts application on your phone. From the Contacts app main screen, scroll down to find and select the contact that you'd like to assign a dedicated ringtone to. A new screen containing the contact details will show up. Next, tap the More Options icon and then select Change Ringtone or Vibration. A small window will pop up at the bottom, so select Ringtone to proceed. In this section, you can see the current ringtone, which is set to the default value. To view all other available ringtones, just scroll down the screen. Then, tap the radio button before the name of the ringtone you'd like to use. After choosing the preferred ringtone, tap the back key to go back to the previous menu. The ringtone for that contact is now changed. If possible, you can do a test call to see if it works. If you wish to change the ringtone for another contact, just repeat the same steps, and that's it. We hope this guide helps you in personalizing your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Be sure to check back for more comprehensive guides. Thanks for watching.